Another day, another Rampa today. What's up, what's up? Hello mga karampa and welcome to Humphrey G World. And now mga karampa, let's feel the outside vibes naman kasi hello, hindi complete ang rampa kung walang nature moment, diba? So dito tayo ngayon sa beachfront and OMG, ang ganda. The breeze, so fresh. The view, so calming. And syempre, hindi mawawala ang aura moment. They have this bridge here super safe, don't worry. Pero what makes it extra special? The artistic vibes. My design, my texture, my soul. Parang every step mo may meaning. Parang I'm walking through my healing era. Tumambay ka lang dito and suddenly you're having deep thoughts. Parang, who am I? What is life? Should I get another iced coffee? Then wait lang ha, I saw this spot na may pakale sa drama. Like, what? Feeling ko tuloy, princess ako na may sariling fairy tale. At dahil hindi pa ako satisfied, of course, tumawid ako ulit sa bridge. Kasi bakit hindi? This view hits different every time. Parang life, minsan kailangan mo lang ulitin para ma-appreciate mo fully. So if you're looking for peace, art, and a little drama, this is it. O siya, hanggang dito na lang mga karampa. Thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog. Bye!